everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, requesting you all to join me until the end of this video. I am Kirtana, currently pursuing my BE in Electronics and Communication at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, in this presentation, I will be presenting you about a small topic of chemistry, that is e-waste management. In this presentation, I'll be briefing you about the definition of e-waste and the methods of disposal of e-waste, the disadvantages of e-waste, and the effects of e-waste on environment and human health. Looking into the introduction, e-waste can be solid, liquid or gases, and each type has different methods of disposal and management. Waste management deals with all types of waste including industrial, biological, household, municipal, organic, biomedical and radioactive waste. In some cases, waste can pose a threat to human health. Health issues are associated with the entire process of waste management. Health issues can arise both directly and indirectly through the handling of solid waste. The aim of waste management is to reduce the dangerous effects of such waste on environment and human health. A big part of waste management deals with the municipal solid waste which is created by individual, commercial and household activity. Now let's look into the definition of e-waste management. Electronic waste, popularly known as e-waste. It is defined as electronic products that have become unwanted on working and have essentially reached the end of their useful life. Moving on to the sources of e-waste, electronic devices such as TVs, computer monitors, laptops and display systems. Telecommunication devices such as cell phones, calculators, audio and video devices, printers, scanners, fax machine, etc. Kitchen equipment such as coffee makers and microwave ovens. Laboratory equipments such as hot plates, microscopes, microwave ovens. Now let's look into the different types of e-waste. The first one is computers and peripherals, televisions, mobile devices, household applications, entertainment devices, lighting equipments, medical equipments and other electronic equipments. In the picture attached we can see the household applications and medical equipments. Now let's look into the composting of e-waste. Valuable metals like gold, platinum, silver and palladium. Useful metals like copper, aluminium, iron, etc. Hazardous substances like radioactive isotopes and mercury. Plastic like polystyrene, polycarbonate, etc. What are the effects of e-waste on environment? It causes air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, decreases the natural resources, causes the emission of greenhouse gases, causes the climate change in the environment, causes the loss of valuable metals in the environment. Now, looking into the effects of e-waste on human health. Lead damages central nervous system, that is CNS. Cadmium damages kidney. Mercury damages both central nervous system and kidney. Carbon black in printer cartilage causes carcinogenic effects. PVC wire insulation causes carcinogenic effects. Dioxin, furan affects gastrointestinal irritation, DNA damage and adverse birth effects. Now let's look into the disposal methods of e-waste. The first one is scientific landfilling, the second one is composting, third one is incineration and the last one is recycling and reuse. Looking into the scientific landfilling, a disposal site where solid waste such as paper, glass and metal is buried between layers of dirt and other materials in such a way as to reduce the contamination of the surrounding land. Composting. It is an act of collecting and storing plant material so it can decay and can be added to improve the quality. There should be more composting of garden and food waste. In the first picture, we can observe the landfilling, and in the second picture, different peels of vegetables and fruits are collected, which is then converted into manure and is used to grow the green plants. Now let's look into the recycling process. What is recycling? Recycling involves the reutilization of e-waste with the help of the recycling process. This method involves dismantling of the electronic devices, separation of the parts having hazardous substances like PCBs, and then recovery of the precious metals like copper, gold, and lead can be done with the help of a e-waste recycler. Now let's look into the advantages of recycling. The advantages are conservation of natural resources, energy saving, reduction of the pollution, creating jobs, space saving, reduces air pollution, water pollution, reduces the global warming, reduces the amount of waste to landfills. Now let's move on to the last one, that is reuse. This is the most desirable e-waste recycling process where with the modification the mobile phones, computers, laptops, printers can be reused by repairing them. The electronic devices given as second-hand product with a minimum cost which gives benefit to the buyer also. So in this picture we can observe that the plastic bottles are reused again to grow the green plants, which is also used to decorate the garden walls. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.